I didn't want to tell them it's okay. Dog, I'm waiting for my nigga to send a signal. Dog. I don't know what to do in the industry. I'm busy explaining nonsense there, boy.
You will fight for a break. Can somebody get me some bog?
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Nqobile Tembane from Top Traders South Africa, and I'm sitting here with my amazing co-host,
MJ Givens Kgasi.
for president.
2024 elections.
Oh yeah, on the ballot.
Yeah, I'm there.
You there?
Yeah, but I haven't formed the parties yet. We might as well just put top trader there and just plug and play. And people should vote.
Yeah, I mean, welcome to another episode of Industry Chats Podcast, where we sit down with industry players on all levels and we discuss all things pertaining to the financial markets and also the business side of things as well. And yeah, shout out to you guys, industry players. A big shout out for the support and love. Week by week, you guys keep showing up and showing out for us.
Yeah.
We appreciate you guys so much. Yeah, we're not sitting alone today.
Yeah.
Yeah. A very, how can I put this? Interesting turn of events. Literally last night, because MJ and I we had already scheduled today's shoots. We knew what we were going to talk about today. And then a random DM comes out of nowhere. I'm just like,
We might as well.
we might as well. Yeah, I've got Smanga. Am I saying that? Is it Simangaliso or Smangaliso?
Well, it's S.I.
It's S.I.
Simangaliso, but people call me Smanga. So.
Smanga.
Okay.
Yeah, we've got Simangaliso with us today, Mr. Mofokeng. Yeah,
that's
no,
me.
that's you. Yeah, appreciate you so much.
Yeah, appreciate being here, bro. It's like, yo. Like, you know, when you like that trader and then you're trading, having a trading session and you're watching the gents on like, yo, when you like get there, you know, to have like a platform to talk and how we feel on the ground and, you know, so I'm just here today just to share those chats, you know, what we're facing in terms of these big guys and how they're closing doors for us or some opening doors for us as well. And, well, about the industry overall. How does it feel trading at the low level, you know?
Yeah. So interesting conversation we're going to have today. I'm excited though. I'm really excited.
Yeah.
But before we get into conversations, how's everyone doing?
Let's start with you, Simanga.
Simanga.
Yeah.
Smanga. I see Smanga.
Yeah, Smanga. Yeah. What was the question again?
No, how you doing? Just how you doing? Yeah,
I'm good. I'm good. I'm just enjoing the festive season.
Yeah.
It started wild.
Started
wild.
weekend.
Bro.
It's going to end on a weekend, eh?
Bro, what day is it today? It's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday.
Still feel drunk, bro. Crazy. Had a wild, crazy wholesome weekend with the boys. However, last month was a lot of vacation with the Han and family and just now it's just my time and my boys and my girl as well. So yeah.
What do they put in this alcohol?
Talking about girls, before you get to the alcohol chat, talking about girls, we know MJ, your wife is with us here today. Okay.
And he's busy talking about alcohol.
Thank you for joining us today.
I have to be careful what I say now. At least when it's recorded, I can say I'm sorry. I have to watch myself today.
That's beautiful. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nqobile Tembane, and I've got an announcement for you guys at home. Okta is launching its yearly New Year promo just for you guys with amazing prizes. Now, what are some of those prizes? Let's go through them real quick. We've got a Rolex watch, 5 Apple Watch hammers, and 100 Okta is the new blue merch packs. The duration of this promo will be running from the 4th of December 2023 all the way to the 23rd of December 2023. Now, you're probably sitting at home and wondering, how do you participate in this? Nqobile, tell me. I'm going to tell you just now. Download the Okta app, use the link in the description below, and create your account if you don't already have one. Navigate to the promotion section on the website or the app, and then sign up for the Octa New Year promo. Then once you're registered, begin trading your accounts to accumulate tickets. And here's the thing, guys, the more you trade, the higher your chances are of winning. Promo is open to both new and existing Octa clients. And for this week only, we've got 15% lowered spreads on all majors. And wait. Also giving you guys the 100% deposit bonus when you use the Top Trader SA code for more profitable trading journey. Don't forget to use the link in the description below. Trading made clear with Octa. Yeah, you ask about alcohol.
Yeah.
Ask.
Yeah, what do they put in that thing?
Yo, boy, they put happiness, eh?
Is it?
Happiness on 43%. What?
Yeah.
Yeah, and thing there, it's nice. Yo, it's super nice. So, I was asking myself like this weekend, Kuti, yo, bro, how did I start drinking, bro? Because my dad and I'm from a household whereby like my parents don't drink, bro. They like, my dad is about to turn 63, 64. I'm not too sure. My mom's about 62, somewhere there. They don't drink, bro. They just love us. They've been married for over like 30 something years. I know. So I grew up in a household whereby there's like love, you know.
Yeah.
My dad is like a teacher of where I used to school, by the way. So he raised me like church vibes, bro.
Yeah.
You understand? So I don't know how this started. I have I think brothers and cousins and stuff. So they introduced me to the lifestyle of like, you know what, boy, don't stress, come drink, share a bottle of Henny, you know. So no, I'm lying. I started Cabo Russian Pay with the boys. Yeah. So
Still there, Russian Bear.
So they live pop sack.
CJ, is it like the CJ type in a box?
CJ,
DJ,
DJ cool.
It's Papsak.
Yeah,
Papsak.
Yeah, it's Papsak. Back in the days, we used to call it Papsak.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people think that I never drank a thing in my life.
For real?
Yeah. You know, the sales for brewery went down.
What brewery?
The sales for brewery.
Oh.
SAB.
Yeah.
It declined because I stopped drinking. They can't recover. They're trying to recover. It's been years now. It's been years.
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time.
A very loyal customer.
Yeah. So yeah, you know, some of us when we started being straight, yeah, we've been there. And I think it also. So your parents are from where?
East End of Johannesburg. So it's Kgasi Tanota.
Yeah.
Tanota.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that's cool.
Springs.
I wanted to blame Joburg, but you grew up here, so I can't.
No.
You know, when you're from the villages and you're straight and you come to Joburg and so. Yeah, I'm okay, by the way. Thanks for asking. Guys, my channel is growing. Thank you so much. The love is amazing. Target is 1,000
subscribers.
Yeah, 1,000 subscribers. I think by December we're hoping to end of December. Oh no, we're already there. And we're hoping to reach 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, but I'm good. Family's good. My kids are away.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So the house is quiet. I'm happy, man. You can see I'm happy. I came to the shoot with shorts, shows that I'm free, I'm happy. Rascals are not there. So yeah. And how about you?
Me, I'm good. It's December. Really excited.
Yeah.
I'm not even excited for December. I'd be lying. I'm good. Just overall, you know.
Sure.
I'm good. I'm excited for this conversation we're gonna have today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's start then.
Yeah. So you're an industry player, Smanga.
Yeah.
Yeah. I always say to people, we're all industry players now.
Yeah.
You know, on different levels.
Yeah.
You know. So can you just give us a bit of background on just a bit of background on your journey? Yeah. Now don't get too deep into it. You know, we had the conversation.
Yeah. So guys, I'm Simangaliso. Started falling in love with trading since 2020. You know, COVID days, you know.
Yeah.
So I always say, Doc, I used to have like nice life outside Forex, you know, like way before even I met Forex, because I was just a guy, man, making money off like having businesses in school and whatsoever and stuff. And then Forex came in and it traumatized me, bro. Like made my life like crazy, bro.
No wonder
Crazy,
they're drinking. Yeah.
bro. I think
Yeah.
it became too much after like, you know, starting to getting this fast money, you know, and stuff, yeah. Because I started trading in 2020, like I said. Yeah, I used to do like crazy stuff, you know, like reselling signals via universities.
Yeah, but let's talk about that reselling signals. How did you guys? But before you get to the reselling of signals, how did you actually get like into like Forex? If you understand what I mean,
Yeah.
like, 'cause-
So I have a brother. He's a mechanical engineer by profession. So he introduced me. So it was COVID time. So he used to sit in computer rooms back in parents' house. So when I went back home via the lockdown, so he had that Forex charts and stuff like that. I was like, "What's this?" He's like, "No, you'll just Google about it." I was like, "What's this?" I just Google about this, but he's getting chowed. He doesn't tell me he's getting chowed a lot of money, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, I sharp. Then I went back to varsity. So COVID, yeah, we Rosebank college student, they called them back in campus, right in the middle of COVID. So so at Res, I met another boy of mine who was dating my cousin at the time, Sandy. So shout out to Sandy, even though we're not cool now. So met that boy. He thought, he's like, when I meet him, he's like, boy, kulung kape ATM, a Capitec in Bram, that you know, main streets in Bram. Yeah. It's like kulung kap, I'm kapo boy. And then when mang figure out withdrawals 4.5, he's like, I'm kap is a Rose Bank. He buys himself some sneakers. I was like, yo, boy, where do you get so much money? He's like, hey boy, I have Forex, boy. Hey, mind you, boy, I remember my first deposit was 750. I had 750. I was like, boy. He's like, join. Don't join the signal group. I already have a signal group, but Yaga Kanya at the time, Kanya USA date or something like that. Yeah. Or he was still on Nasdaq at the time. So, and then I put it at 750. I remember market open was still at 330. So we waited for market open. He had a setup. He bought a PlayStation, this guy, over like Forex money.
Okay.
Dog, you know, PS4 at the time.
Yeah.
Playing, dog, the latest. It's got to Ghana and stuff. I was like, okay, sharp, this thing is living. So it has a couch and stuff like that. He doesn't live like a normal student where I share an apartment with someone else, you know. So he's like, no, I'm convinced I'm sold. And then I go industry. I think I made about 2K, 2 point something. It was Thursday, yeah. I was with Veracity Market at the time. I withdraw my first withdrawal, 2K. He's like, my boy, Senzan. I'm like, online. He's like, okay, sharp. Go to Sentin. I remember we booked some other apartment in Sentin. We had a bottle of cruise, 6-pack. 6-pack of Savannah. Had this other dolly dog that I wanted from varsity dog. I was like, oh, okay, sharp. This is my perfect time. You know, Uber them, vibe. When you got there, I was like, yo, Forex is real, bro. When you spend that money, it's real, bro. It felt real at the time. Okay, fast forward, go back home. My brother now, he has his friends. His friends were they were in the same industry, but he was doing, I think, civil engineering and stuff. So he was finished, but he was based in back home now. So his name is Debza. He's now in Sasol, in Mpumalanga. Okay. Yeah. So they came and they're like, yo, boy, you see, you've been pushing, because I've been posting on WhatsApp statuses. Mind you, I got them in the industry. So I'm like, all right, guys, me, I don't trade Forex per se. I trade indices, about Nasdaq as well as, it was strictly Nasdaq at the time. Because Ukanya got to signal Y at the time. So agents, they were like, yo, I didn't want to tell them, it's okay, dog, I'm waiting for my nigga to send the signal, dog. I don't know what to do in the industry. I'm busy explaining nonsense there, boy. When you see this come here, buy here. Dog, that nigga wasn't sold. I could tell he wasn't sold. I was like, okay, sharp. And then 330 signal got in, but it got in like after my 5 minutes, 10 minutes, because usually it used to be before the market opened. So at that day specifically sent after 5 minutes later. Okay. So, okay, sharp. Mind you, I told them before to sell. I remember Kanye said buy. And then mind you, we in mixed and blues and red profits.
Okay.
So I don't know what to do. Should I close? Should I open? This nigga's like, boy. I'm like, okay, sharp. Then fast forward, and then December. Now that I recruited my bro, I was like, okay, this is what we're doing, my boy. He's like, oh, I fucked with the movement.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, sharp. We had a lot of clients who opened the company called.
Yeah, but you're skipping so much now. Because thing is, I want to know what's going on. Because right now, what my understanding as well is that at some point you, during this making of money, you had zero clue of what trading actually was.
Yeah, so zero clue, ne?
But you guys are making money.
Making money, ne? So my boy used to be like, okay, the one who was in the group.
Yeah.
So my job was to like recruit people, dog. Like, tell people, look, it's okay, there's this Forex thing, it works. I used to tell people in the campus, used to tell people on my social media platform, let's make money. That was the ideal thing we had at the time. So minimally, I used to make it off, like those people used to join like 250, 300 at the time. Traders, we used to make like those specials, 350 Friday, next week, so we 200 rand, because we are shy, you know. So yeah, that's how I used to make money, like off the side. And then take that money, obviously fund.
But the service you guys are providing are signals.
Signals only.
But it's not your signals.
It's not our signals. Basically, we were reselling at the time.
Yeah.
You know, shout out to Kanye. He helped us, dog. We in varsity with Panda, bro. Like, those are the part of the things that I wasn't proud about at the time. But I was enjoying the money, dog.
Oh, yeah.
We're enjoying the money, dog,
Yeah.
you understand? So, yeah. A lot of people, we did account management. We didn't know what we were doing, dog. People used to trust me with their money, dog. I used to post like people's screenshots and stuff at the time, or demo screenshots, but in the MetaTrader 4, before we moved to MetaTrader 5, like you wouldn't have seen, like before the credit thing, it was just balance, equity, margin, what. So you wouldn't tell if this is a real account and stuff, you know. So people used to be sold over there, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, seeing that 7K, 20K blue screens and stuff like that. And they asked, what's this? I'm like, okay. And we had a friend at the time who was basically dealing with explaining to people who were asking on Telegram, okay, what's this? And I was like, okay, sharp. And then, yeah, that's how.
So the whole group is there. There's somebody who's you're recruiting. Somebody's dealing with explaining. Who else was there?
No, there was just the three of us at the time.
guys,
Yeah, there was just the three of us.
Yeah.
So were you sharing the money or what? Like, how was the operation of this cartel?
We were sharing money, bro. We were sharing money. So yeah. In terms of payments, we were doing each other good.
Oh yeah.
Amongst the three of us. So mind you, it's my boy from KZN, Sandiso Mota. It was my boy Luzugo, my brother, mechanical engineer, and then me.
Okay.
So we're pushing this thing, man, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, we pushed, man. Yo.
Yeah.
Now that I look back, I'm like, what were you doing? What were you doing? So yeah, that's what we. Up until we got to 2020, I think December.
Yeah.
That's when we started, okay, sharp, you know what, there's my FX codes, they're offering courses and stuff. So Sunday, I was like, I'm not comfortable with us being like this, reselling. Yabona, people are starting now to take losses. Kanye is sending 1 signal a day, dog. People want 3. And on our poster, we wrote 1 to 4 signals a day, dog. Now we're sending 1. People are asking themselves what's happening. That 1 is a loss.
Yeah.
You know, my boy is
The
like,
one is a loss.
but heavy loss, you know.
Yeah.
So, and then my boy Sanders was like, you know what, boy, now that we have made so much money off this thing, how about we take some of this money before we split it amongst us? He went back home because schools were closed, COVID times, at December, around about December. So he was like, you know what, boy, how about we buy a course and then learn the skill, you know? And then when I started doing that, that's when I was sold to the markets. That's when, like, my life, I was dedicating it to the markets. That's when the sacrifices thereafter came, bro.
So basically, up until then, you can say there were no sacrifices. You guys were just...
dog. Me, I was in school, dog. I was looking at my boy. My boy opened the group. Me, I was just reposting on what's happening and then getting a client. And then I was like, okay, this guy is going to deal with you. And then that's done, you know.
Yeah.
And then I was still in school, like, focusing.
So
like,
you guys weren't making money from the charts. You were making money from the business.
Basically, that's
Basically,
what,
yeah.
basically. And fake business, it wasn't properly structured. It was like, oh boy, that's the movement. It's money. Pays go up.
Yeah.
So that's basically it. Otherwise, it's just I feel like I was frauding people at the time because I was part of it as well.
Yeah, no, I get you.
But we at the time we felt like we're not doing any sin because we are reselling on what the people is what Kanye is offering. Because I remember we joined the group. He joined the group I think around about 2 point something. Understand, for a monthly what or a lifetime thing. You know those what groups that people have lifetime things and stuff. So he basically bought that. And then he was like, okay, I was like, Mina, when I initiated, I was like, we can resell as well. And then he was like, okay, cool, let's open a group. We open a trading platform called Profit Club ZA. That's when we making money, pushing promotions, lifestyle engeko, you know. We even got into the parts where we buy cars and stuff. No, we didn't buy cars.
So when you say lifestyle engeko, what do you mean? What do you basically mean?
Selling like we incenting, telling people, we're living off the markets, can't we living off parents' allowances and stuff. Yeah, so that's what was happening.
And it happens so often though. You know, talking about the lifestyling, you know, there's so many gurus that are living off lifestyles that are funded by other people. You know, and you find that over and over people are being exposed for not, you know, for claiming things, you know. And I'm grateful that you guys never got to a point where it was a matter of like, now you guys were claiming like cars.
As far as we haven't had much, we don't know. Maybe it's still coming there.
Oh, at the time.
Yeah, maybe at the time. We don't know. We don't know.
Yeah.
I'm just grateful to God that he never got to that extent as yet. Although like decisions and stuff were tempting to make those kind of decisions, but I'm luckily that my brother is woke and I'm from like a woke family. You know, my mentors are like from the family. You know, it's like, hey, daughter, you're faking this lifestyle and then you can't maintain. What's happening? What's there for? Because my brother just up the road here, he has like his own school just up the road, his own company. His own company. So he's the one plugging me with motivation and stuff, you know. And he likes what I do, you know. Yeah. Because he always say at his age he never made so much money and you know, he never knew. He started making money late, around about 27, 28. So he was like, at 19 you're making such moves, bro. Yeah. Well, he never said scam them.
Yeah. No, but like shout out to you though. I think also the influence and influence is so important, you know, especially who we surround ourselves with. Because in this case, I'm guessing if it was not for your brother or your family, in a sense, if I can put it like that, you know, you would have honestly continued because, hey, yapanda. Money's, as long as the money's coming in. At the end of the day.
But my brother said something to me. He said he would have been far.
If you continue.
Like push the movement, you would have been far. Yeah. So I'm trying to him, it's like, yo, boy, you're not pushing as much as you were pushing before. Like, I'm like, dog, I'm taking my own like trading journey like cricket.
Okay.
I ain't gotta hit like 6 always. In order for me to accumulate, I hit 4s. Like I explained to you earlier on. I'm satisfied with making 5 grand, 2 grand, 3 grand. Understand? I haven't made a withdrawal of 100,000 in my trading platform. I only make those 10, 15 at most, 20. They pile up, you know. They pile up.
Yeah.
So now so that I've learned,
you're still, you know, it's still early days.
Still early. 3 years. I feel like it's a lot. Really, day in, day out. It's a lot.
Yes,
like,
I don't want to discourage him. I don't want to discourage him.
I know. I'm still facing like a lot of years because I take it like every day. I need to learn everything. You know, so my journey will be forever. Like I'll forever be working in learning as well. You understand? So I'll be forever learning. So.
But you know what's tricky about years in trading?
Okay.
Is that you grow in knowledge, maybe to know about the charts. But as we grow, we also learn about ourselves. And that's why it becomes so difficult. And life changes every time. You grow, you lose certain people in your life that can affect, you know, those kind of things. True. You add things into your life, you accumulate things in your life. There are a lot of people that traded for years and they quit, not because they were not making it, but maybe they found something better. and they fell back in love with trading again. So the years can be a very tricky thing to say I've been trading for 10 years and I've got the experience, as well as the effort that comes with, that 10 years. You find that somebody traded 10 years, but they were only putting 1 hour a year
in trading.
But somebody traded 3 years and every day they put in the hours. But the only way you can have experience in this thing is to make a lot of mistakes. I never liked when people say make mistakes, but now when you grow, you realize that you learn by a lot of mistakes. Mistakes, in a way, they are needed. They're needed so much.
With me, I had to, I'm still learning. I feel like my punisher is money, because I refuse to learn a demo. Like, I feel like I won't make the same mistake, because I've traded demo. And don't learn anything.
Yeah.
So with money, bro, I every lesson, dog, it taught me I had to pay. So every trade I've taken for the past, I haven't traded a demo in like 2 years or something. If I don't have cash or equity, dog, I don't trade. Actually, that's my time off.
Yeah.
Like, I don't trade. I watch these guys, Omunyu say what he sell, India buyer on Instagram. Okay, who's this, who's that? Okay, sharp chai.
Yeah.
And then get to my motion, take a walk, start thinking about a plan. It's okay, from now.
So how do you practice?
Via chats, bro. Like, money. Like, I have to lose money. Like I said, I have to lose money to trade.
That's the first time in the whole entire time I've been. It's the first time I hear somebody say this.
I practice via money, bro. So I need demo like Nyashi.
Okay, so how do you backtest it? Let's say now you're looking at previous markets and you're like, I need to backtest this thing.
Here's my chats. With regards to backtesting as well, I did it for when I was still in the Forex FX code thingy, backtesting, blah, 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 blah. Like, now I've developed the skill of being a pure price action trader. So me having to backtest and whatsoever, I feel like, man, ngifunda ngemvubu, like I say, ngifunda hard. If it's good, okay, stop loss, ishayile, okay, wenzeni la. Or said the stop loss too early. And then, I'll confess this stock. Trading a stop loss, I feel like, minus 9,000 like,
and at the time, what's the account balance? What's the account size?
So I have a big account, like my normal big account would be like 10K.
Yeah.
And then I have that 1,000, 1.5, no, 2.5, 1,000 to 2.5, like daily, like yearly scalper, like quickly. And then for swinging, like, I don't swing. I don't swing. I just hold for 2 hours and then I feel like
Okay, so but now let's be real. Do you think it's a healthy way of doing things? If you I won a 9,000, you're like, yo. Like, is that imagine having a job like that?
Yeah, like it's I feel like that's not good trading psychology, because, for example, I'll enter a trade thinking it's okay, 10 pips I'm out, but emotions get to me and I'm like, okay, I think email is over shy reversal. Isha reversal ne iye ku direction, and then you're like, no, I think email kancane. And then we are born it's okay, sharp. Lento won't move to the direction you want. Just get out of a trade. But my mind, ipetla profits good okay, sharp. I think shy 1,000 rand at least. Yeah. Ngizokwazi ku withdraw ngihambe ngidlale emajideni yabo. You understand? So that plays a huge role as well. You understand? So like I said, it's still 3 years and I'm still trying to figure out day in, day out good things understand? Because njalo mina mangizo trade and then it hits my stop loss, but I'll definitely revenge trade and I'll revenge to hit the same direction. Because analysis iti sizobaya manje and then mina ngiloko busy ngiyabaya and the direction market says now I'm taking a different turn. Understand? So
So you trade by sight. That's my site.
Price action.
Yeah, you just trade what you see.
Analyze. What I see,
So
move.
my understanding is that you don't believe in backtesting.
Young Shula.
Yeah, cool. Yeah. Interesting.
Young Shula.
Hey, we need to have a chat, mina now off camera.
Young Shula.
I think we need to go.
I think
I think you need one.
Yeah,
need one.
also I came to this platform for people to reach out, understand? Because now I'm against this thing of having to pay, and I've paid a lot of money to these people, understand? So now it's all about
What people?
Your Jason Noah,
Why did you say yo? What is it?
Jason Noah, your Forex Academy, FX Codes Academy.
So do you feel like buying those courses did it benefit you? Let's talk about that actually.
No, they somehow did. They paved the way to where I am today.
Okay.
They shout out to these niggas, bro.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have, probably I would have quit it instead. Probably I would have long quit it. So they've paved the way. You would see, you know what, dog, this thing is possible. And day in, day out, I see that. It's just me being undisciplined and making those mistakes and saying
Yeah.
Like, for example, you go inside Instagram and you're like, oh shit, this guy has a perfect setup, maybe for like 2 days or 3 days. You're able to set up like and it will go this direction, and then you over leverage, number one. Instead, like, you wanna be those guys about counted 2.5 to 20K in like 10 minutes. And the young
Yeah.
that's why I always blow. But when I open 1 trade, 2 trades, and 4 trades at most, it goes your direction. Understand?
Okay.
So luckily, mine just thinks like I work with targets for this year. Like I said, I started being profitable kinda this year. So I work according to the target.
Okay.
So Nami markets in bullish manage. I'm like, dude, I need a day at least. I need to sleep with 5,000 or 4,000 at most. I go to go rough, and then my hambi 2.5 hambi. So that 2.5 helps going the long way. I believe on daily basis. My break even at most.
Yeah.
I'll fight for a break even.
You will fight for a break. Can somebody get me some bog in the meantime while we're here?
I'll definitely fight for a break even.
You will fight.
So yeah, but having trading discipline as well. So I only trade London and New York session.
Okay.
So what I said when I think I make mistakes in terms of breaking my trades, some trader I fall lang.
Yeah.
And then yang is a leon tole. And then
Nyanga is day, ne?
it's a month.
Oh, Nyanga. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
No, lang. I said lang.
Oh,
yeah, lang
lang.
in a day.
Nyanga is what?
A month.
Sangoma is what?
A nyang. Oh. Yeah.
I am your ball, right?
Yeah.
Okay. No, but like, you know what? What I'm loving about this is that Smanga is just like, bro, I'm here.
Yeah.
This is me. I'm here. This is my journey. He's not trying to be like,
Yeah.
yo, guys. And I like the authenticity about it, because it's just like, guys, do you know how many people are in your shoes as well?
Dog, hundreds, loads
bro,
of people.
Lots of people.
I see a lot of niggas now, younger than me, who got me into the industry, and I introduced them to the industry, you know. Abayenzing the wrong, like wanting to sell signals.
Okay.
Dog, you don't, at your beginning career of your trading, you don't need that. I stopped that in 9 months to a year. I think I stopped. I was like, shit, this is not for us, gents.
Yeah.
Find the skill, so that you have a fallback on. Get that 9 to 5. It's not nice. And push via your money, dog. Feel the pain. Feel the pain. Dog, it got to a point, like I told you, when I was living in Upside Towers, when the salary gets in, dog, after I didn't have an account or anything, when the salary gets in, dog, I'm inside the market, dog. I make sure it's okay. I need to double that money before exceeding.
Okay.
If it's that money needs to go child, dog. Yeah, Upside Towers dog. It was so when I moved from Bram to Towers I was like to my parents, you know what, ngicela i-gap sort of.
Okay.
But then I phone gap year, boy.
Yeah.
My mom, I told my mom kunemali like a short scale, or else she finished paying, dog. So my mom sent me like 15 grand. Dog, that thing didn't even last 3 days, dog. I think I ate 500 to 1,000 in that money.
Yeah. And
The
the
rest,
rest,
markets.
donation.
Chief, we had a couch.
Yeah.
We had laptops. It got to a point where we had to sell our laptop. I remember, dog. I sold my laptop, dog. So trading Anchu.
Yeah.
Had the iPhone at the time. I was like, okay, so trading iPhone, man. Should be Joe, not like I felt like a drug addict at the time of the markets, Joe.
And this
It
thing is
gets
so
you,
addictive. Yo, it's so
Dog,
addictive.
but I'm grateful, Loguti. I never got to a point where I smoke any substances.
Okay.
So only the substance is alcohol a substance?
The way you
I
are
abuse
drinking it, I think
Yeah.
for you it's a substance.
Because I definitely abuse it. Eh? I abuse it. Like, I was telling my hand the other day, and then I was like to her,
Oh yeah, guy, you trading or
Jwala.
Oh, you have to be specific to the viewers, please.
I was telling her and then I was like to her, baby, man, so I need to go back. I didn't sleep at home since Friday. I came back Monday. I was at my boy's place, bro. So it's wild. It's wild.
So you left Friday. You
Came back Monday. She's not happy
She's not happy
till this day.
But you know what I'm getting. Yes, la.
No girls involved though.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Just saying out there. No girls
You just
involved.
sold yourself by saying that.
No. Here's my chat. I was at my friend's place. Ne?
Yazi la. Ye by taking again la. Yazi. Ya wona no akada discipline le. In general. So are you correct? And I like that about him. Yes, we had me that with Mina and now you discipline.
Bro,
Are you correct? So I think you I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. But I think you see what I was talking about, that behavior outside the charts affects your behavior when you're in front of the charts. Because if you're struggling with things individually in your own personal life, when you get to the charts, the same pattern will repeat itself there. Then there's something wrong with the markets. Yeah, and it starts with you. It just starts with you. Before charts, there's you.
But however, I confess to Guti, it's me. The charts, like they really revealing who am I. Understand? Correct me if I'm wrong. Charts are like parents to you, like a parent. Like they teach you a lesson for every movement you've made. Right? Am I correct?
Yeah.
However, that in terms of chatting and respect the craft and where it took me, where I am today, So I'll forever respect it, and the impact it has done to my family and myself, and I'll forever respect it. Understand? So with that being said, aside from it, respect. From outside, it's wild, bro. It's wild. It's just me and my boys having fun, not anything else.
So now tell us about the courses that you took. You saying like you went to a couple of mentors to mentor
So
you.
I took FX codes. I think I bought the course for $350 or $250 at the time. I can't remember very well.
$250?
Dollars, yeah. Okay. So we enrolled to the FX Codes Academy. So yeah, the way like Jaguar, Andile, who's Andile? Andile what? Andile. And yeah, with
You don't know
The
your
original FX code.
no, so when you're
He's
in the
using your
course-
surname, by the way.
here's
the
a
way that he's moving.
no, really.
Yeah, Andy Banks. Yeah.
Andy, yeah,
Yes.
Andy, okay.
Coach Andy.
Yeah, shout out to him. Yeah, he helped me a lot. So I didn't understand how he used to twang in the courses as well, when he was shooting the thing at the time. I was like, hey, my boy is wilding him. So yeah, it was Jaguar. Jaguar taught me how to analyze the market, break it down. FX Code taught me the psychology of it, which I still fail to do it even today. Andy taught me about market conditions, how it moved at the time and stuff. So I really enjoyed the course. I finished it. I felt like I needed to do it again, but I never understood what's going to be the difference, because here's my chat. So after it, I remember it was Sunday about to go midnight. Jaguar taught me 10 steps on how to analyze the market. Put your phone on the portrait mode, wait for the breakouts, enter the markets, find the lines, support and resistance, blah, 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 blah. It was Sunday, 6:12. I'm with my brother now. Yeah. We have people's accounts. Yeah. I think they had 5,000, other one had like 7,000 at the time. Bro. I was still midnight, né? It's about to 10 market open on Monday. I'm telling my bro, okay, let's go so back home, Abazali, when they went to sleep on Sunday after the gospel session, church people. It's like, okay, sharp, this is a holy place, my brother. Let's go chill at TV rooms, connect laptop with the HDMI and watch the markets from the in the bigger view. Okay, sharp. Boy. Jaguar said, when it breaks out, retest, we go. It was buy season, ne? Yeah, chief. We got inside that thing, ne? I didn't know what I was doing. Pumping those buys on MT4. Pumping. Hey, when I went this side, this thing is moving, chief. 15K. Within 10 minutes, market open. Gapped. Divide. Chief.
By that time you're taking a gap year. It was the same year.
Say gap year, I took it like
last year.
No, 2 years ago.
2 years back.
Yeah, 2021.
Oh, okay.
2021.
Yeah.
When did you take the course? This was during the course, FX Code course, right?
Yeah, as well. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm still in school and everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, my boy, we saw so much money. His account, I think he saw 20 and stuff. I was like, yo, shit, boy, what's happening? I woke my parents up. Dog. Like, we mind it now. Dog, they didn't see me to sleep, dog. I jumped into the pool. Yeah, dog, I'm waiting for the withdrawal to land. I remember we took it out with his account up.
Okay.
Yeah, chief. Absa said after 24 hours via Veracity Markets.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, now we online, chief.
Yes.
Now they're not going to tell me anything.
So did your parents wake up?
They woke up, dog.
After watching him Zulili?
Dog, I was loud, dog. I was jumping on the couch. I was loud.
You don't know him Zulili?
Yes. Yeah, I see it. I think I see it.
Yeah, that gospel thing where they sing.
Yeah, dog, yo.
So, what was their first reaction to everything?
Our problems are solved.
Okay, it's only not aware that they're only starting now.
Yeah. But I think they're good parents, eh?
Yeah.
Because some parents will say, take it back. Take it back.
No, my mom was like, hey, my boy, there's this Mac I saw. Ne? So this day, I still owe her a smack.
Yeah.
I still owe her a snack.
Yeah.
Boy, yeah. After that, what did we do with that money, bro? Oh, we went to get drip, bro. We needed to be seen, exposed. We went to Papas in Fenton.
Oh, yeah.
Needed to be exposed, you know. We needed a bit of fresh air at the time, you know. So, I'm sorry. Needed fresh air at the time. And yeah, I was like, you know what? We've gone now, bro. Only to find out it's only the beginning. And then what happened after that? Yeah, now market started like changing the behavior and stuff now, right? The other year. I saved some of the money. I saved it to move to the apartment in Joburg towards May. So we saved up with the other bro now who's coming back from Durban Sunday. So we saved up the money. You're gonna move in together, 2-bedroom apartment. Bedroom was going for 5 point something, and then now it's costing Boma 7 after utilities and stuff, right? Okay, chief, I convinced my mom. Okay, sharp, mom, don't pay pram, pay here now. Okay, COVID happened at home, hit hard. Yeah, my mom was like, hey boy, I won't be able to pay. I was like, hey, plus vele nami bengcabanga gap year this year because I want to focus on this thing. My mom was like, okay, cool. It's like, oh, okay, sharp. I was like, hey ma, nama fees are short time, man. She's like, okay, kanjan. I was like, ish, okay, blah blah blah. I was like, okay.
Wait, does your mom know about this now?
She doesn't.
Hey, I hope she doesn't watch it.
She doesn't.
I hope your mom doesn't watch. Whatever you do, make sure that this thing you don't promote.
But I'll tell you how I settled that out. Okay, sure.
When you always have a way.
I think like Forex will teach you to have a way.
Yeah.
I always have money to fund.
Okay.
I always have money to fund. But I always have money to fund. Because, I mean, that's the only way I survive. Well, not really, but yeah. So, 20, like I said, we're moving to apartment. My mom has to pay the thingy, but she can't anymore because things are kind of like COVID hit hard after 2020. We're trying to like recover the debts and everything, blah, blah, blah. It's like, okay, sharp boy, what do you need? I was like, okay, mama. I was thinking I'm going to flip that 15K to like 100. You know, I was like, you know what? I had money got charged. If I think 5K of it, and then the other money we moved in groceries and stuff like that. And some money of it went back to the market as well. And then throughout the year, that's when we were doing account management and stuff again, while learning a course and stuff from the FX codes and issue. And then what happened? And then me and the boys started drifting apart now about money issues. Yeah, man, we're not doing good in trading. When they send him money at home, he doesn't reach out to me. Like, it's not fairness. We are second trip. How minimally am I getting sacrifice markets. And the grocery, I'm eating grocery, man. When I was like, oh shit, this ain't it, you know. Rent problems, my mom couldn't pay at the time. Son, market is charging money as well. So yeah, hey, that said to me, hey, you know what, boy, go get spun now. Yeah, I needed to get spun. Got spun, worked for another international company based in Midrand. Oh, I can't call out their name because I'm still looking forward to going back there sometime to make money. When days are tough, I'll go back.
Yeah.
So yeah, great company. It was sales job, so it has incentives as well.
100%.
So incentive starts from overtime with my 1,000, 1.5 weekends. So I used to grind like crazy. So my first paycheck, I remember it was 9K. Okay, now I'm sorted with the rent, but the market is like, come back, boy. So money that I make, I need to double it. That's when I needed to, when the money comes in. But with the sales incentives as well. Again, after the money, I remember used to accumulate to 12 grand a month. If I did good, 12, 14 grand a month. So some of the money is to, push whatever I needed to push at the time. And then, I grinded, bro. All the money that I worked hard for went to the market. Understand? And then I grinded so hard in such a way that the market pulled me. Like, I think I need to back test, I think I really need to back test. But yeah, now we better. We respect now.
Okay, yeah, so this was around the FX Gold course. Then you took Jason's course. But why? The thing is,
so with Jason, I never took a course. So
I took a course.
I took Signals Group. And just me taking the Signals Group was to verify my entry points and am I right with the direction and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. And also because I'm now working. When there's something now and I don't see the charts, I need to operate there by MT4 at the time. So that made me losses because being after 2 minutes, I could get any market, it's a direction. That's a lot of T's and C's. Trading
After 2 minutes?
Yeah, probably sending the wrong at the time. Or maybe I'm just exaggerating with 2 minutes. But yeah, probably after how long, that amount of time.
When you are wrong after 2 minutes, that means the signal was valid for 10 seconds. Then bye, close, bye. When you come after 2 minutes, then it's taking a different.
Who posted a 1 minute chat?
No, yeah, bro. I was telling, I have another boy now, different. Shout out to Apiu Mbesa on Instagram, guys. You should check him out. He grinds, that boy. So this guy, I'm like, yo, nigga. Have you seen these Forex mentors? They stretch their charts now to make the 1 minute candlestick look longer now. Like the money is in deep profits, bro.
And
it's 1 minute, bro.
The minute chart. 1 minute chart.
Yeah. But I guess it counts. It's money, bro, at the end of the day. It's money.
I'm really against that, you know? Like really, I'm really against it because it gives people a false sense of the market.
Yeah,
it really does give people a false sense of the market because now you're going to find that I'm going to look at this, because most of the times when you're looking at the charts, obviously you see that candlestick, you see that buy entry there. It's clean. It looks like a clean move. But it hits me when I see charts, I go look at the time frame first. I'm not going to argue with somebody who's posting a minute chart. No, because you understand how quickly that turns for a lot of people. It turns really quickly. You're not even sure they were able to close in profits, posting that 1 minute charts and things like that. And it just goes. Yes, I understand there are people who scalp. And I understand the purpose of scalping. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. The whole day. Not an in, out, done for the day. Type of thing. Scalping actually is meant to sit behind you, and it's just like day trading. You go in positions for the day, you go out end of the day. Scalping, you go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Scalpers are usually trading a couple positions a day, not just one, and things like that. So you find, I just have an issue with guys posting because right now they giving a false sense of hope to the next person. The next person thinks that no, I can trade like that guy. That guy made 100K off of that chart. But not always that him making 100K on that chart, his account size was probably 500K or even 100K. And he shot at full margin there. And then you understand. So I'm just like,
And where do you even get the time to be screenshotting this 1 minute thing? Because there are guys called, I don't know if you know them, Trader TV. The guys they're not in the States, they're in Canada. They're trading stocks.
Okay.
They're trading 1 minute, those guys.
Yeah.
Live, 1 minute. And they don't do market execution. They trade by limits.
Okay.
Yeah, live. So they'll be looking at the charts and they put their limits as market goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and those executions are coming in and out, taking losses live. And so I'm just thinking that, going back to what you're saying, how do you even have the time if you're trading 1 minute? It's easy. I mean, somebody takes a trade on 1 hour just because now they want to show that the candlesticks are too much. Now they go to 15 minutes, 5 minutes. But because you can't even make sense. When you know how to trade, you can try to make sense of an entry.
Yeah.
Even after execution, to say, but what would be the entry reason for this person to go in there? And most of them, they don't even make sense. But why would you just buy it and support or just sell it? You just be trying to figure out why would this person be doing such kind of a thing. But you realize later that, maybe the entry was not taken on the chart he's showing. Maybe the entry was taken on 1 hour, but because it takes time, 1 hour, the candle is too small. Now I have to go back to 5 minutes to make it look as if it was a sniper entry, But yeah, but I think, man, people should just wake up now. I think we've been saying a lot of things now. I think people should just wake up. I mean, how long will we go with the lies that we see every day? People should just wake up now. I mean, let's just wake up, guys. Let's just wake up. This thing is, and when we say it's a hard thing to do, people don't want to hear that as well.
Yeah, not at all.
Now people don't want to hear that. They want to buy babsak and just get money quick and
and also it gets that at my age 22, right? And you obviously have a partner now. You can't be doing what we're doing at 22, right? Okay, so I feel like the pressure on social media as well. It's a lot, bro. It's a lot. Like, Nick, how can you spend me, dog? It gets to me, dog. How can you spend 20K, dog, just one night? Okay, maybe you have it, and it gets to me. It gets to me. The files I can stretch now. It's 5. I can stretch it. That's if I'm 40K profits maybe in my trading account. That's when I can stretch 5.
Yeah.
Wait, what gets into you? Seeing other people spend?
So I feel like it's there's a competition in the clubs as well at night. Hey, them making them fly. The bottle flies. Hey. There's a competition, chief.
Sections by sections. Where you sitting? Who are you with? Understand? Luckily, I'm a low-key nigga. I'm not sitting with the gurus and stuff. If only Nasdaq Ninja can see this and say, boy, come through. I'll leave everything, boy. I'll come and trade with you, my boy. So Nasdaq Ninja, if you're looking, fit, you inspire me a lot. But anyways, he doesn't do that often. He does that once in a while. I like that boy's mindset and stuff. He's very woke in terms of how he manages his money and stuff. You won't see him in the clubs often every Friday trying to catch up with the bottle lives and stuff, and stuff. I'm always out, nice places with my hand and stuff. That's what I enjoy, different content. And then with my boys, we play here and there. Like when we play here like the long weekend. So I'm a wholesome nigga, right? I like spending time with my boys. So what we'll do now, within that 5,000 rand, we have to pry maybe, dog. Chill, understand namachita, talk about life and everything. Chill, shy parking chillers, understand? Buy those boxes of alcohol, whatsoever. That I don't mind doing. Than to spend 5K in 3 hours or 2 hours, and then we're gonna piss that money when we get to the hotel. Then my place. When we get to my place and then we piss that money, and then it gets to you on Monday. You have to catch up that 5,000.
But for me, it doesn't make any difference. You are just having a longer duration by going to... It doesn't make any difference. Money will be spent. You saying 5,000 is better to do it in the parking lot with the gents the whole day?
No, wholesome activities, like I mentioned. You go let's say we went to a date with the boys and we chill, drinks, food, and wholesome moments, understand? And hands, or maybe we booked somewhere. For example, within that 2.5, maybe we'd say we go to book with the boys and then call our hands over, chill, have some wholesome vibes.
Let me ask you this question. So with all the money that is coming in even now, how much of investment have you made for yourself?
Now
let's take out the hand, let's take out the boys.
For myself?
Yeah. What is one thing that you say, this I did for myself and I did for also my future self?
Not necessarily much besides saving money. So I've got like good savings, I could say, for the year.
Yeah, but we're
compared to
talking
last
about
year.
investment now, not if savings.
No. Only now, next year, I'm only looking forward to investing in like tangible assets.
Like what?
Property. I've been working on my credit score and stuff this whole of this year. Yesterday, I was like talking to the guys on how to do about it. That's when next year, I'm starting to invest in a lot of property before the car. That's why I don't even have a fancy car as yet, because I've been tempted to get that something solid this year, but something says wait. For
You know what you know that something that you're mentioning now, something says wait.
Yeah.
I wish that something could speak to you a lot.
yeah, outside.
I wish it could. You know, that's something I wish it could speak to you a lot.
Yeah.
Because I think you are a cool guy. I think you are focused, but I think you just need to do a lot of things to just try to, because age. I had a conversation with someone who's way older than me, and he was saying to me, you know what, MJ, I think at your age you achieved a lot, and he was like, if he was at my age, I think he would have felt better or felt blessed if he had what I had, at my age. And I said to him, look, life is life. Age is age. No matter your peers are driving better than you, they're having cars better than you, they're having houses, it doesn't mean they have made it, because we don't know the ending. And it's a tricky part. We all don't know our ending. Somebody can do better than you today. Okay, a good example would be at school. How many geniuses that you know from school? You look at their lives today, you most probably doing better. Do you understand? It's life. Yeah, it's life. I mean, age doesn't matter. You can do better now. You can look at the billionaires that we have. You listen to their stories. Most of them will tell you, I had millions, I lost them. So arriving there doesn't mean it's a final destination. You still have to keep that money. And I don't think we should find our identity and we should accept ourselves based on the amount that is in our bank accounts. Then we are losing the whole identity of life. I think it's peace we need. And somebody can say, but money gives you peace. Yeah, it does at some point. But you look at your surrounding as well. If you are in ICU now, no matter how much you have, COVID taught us that no matter the money that is in your bank account, money cannot save you. How many influential people that we know today that died because of COVID? And you're asking yourself, people, what is this thing that we used to do in COVID?
The steam
thing.
Steaming, yeah.
There are people that did the steam thing, they survived COVID. There are people that were taken from their houses with helicopters to the best medical facilities and they died. It's not money that changed the whole thing.
Yeah.
I think we just need to change our mindset as well.
Yeah.
With money.
Yeah.
Money is mammon, money is a spirit, and we just need to find a way how this thing works.
Yeah.
Period.
Yeah. Hence, like, I was like, okay, part of my 2024 plans now, being out there, getting the help that I need, like from maybe you, MJ, and any other guy who's willing to help. It's okay, boy, now you've been pushing the movement. This is how you go about it. Understand as well. I need that too. Understand? I'm willing to work with absolutely everyone within the industry. Of course, umuntu nama good intentions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Understand?
important. Hey, that's super important. Not everyone has good intentions. Eh?
Yeah. Because outside, I mean, I was telling my bros, my nigga just recently on Friday, I was fetching, he was writing his last honors LLB law exam. I was telling him, good boy, next year, relax. He's accepted for masters. And so let me go to this. My dad always compares me to my friends and peers. Good, okay, sharp boy. You you have such incredible friends. I've got a friend who's like an accountant, become finance. He's into finance and stuff, which is my best friend, that one. He's doing good in life, and stuff. He's very woke in terms of money and everything. I like surrounding myself because Pume High School A1, they've achieved so much together. But I'm like, gents, if Aninai and Indlela against income stream here is broke to me, dog. Understand? Recently, I've seen a payslip Kantoa and I'm like, ish, boy, I ticked that off like 2 years ago. That money, dog. So for me, I'm like, ish, boy, you know what? If we can make another thing off this thing, understand? Like whatever you have, you are making. Let's make this. Let's make that. Let's make that. And I feel like we can go a whole lot further because we don't necessarily have to be in the same industry. Number one, there's a lot of industries.
That's true.
You know,
That's
I was going for a logistics industry. So right now I have a 15-year plan in my life. Right, I've got five years in terms of portfolios. I mean, I'm left with 2 years in the Forex portfolio to put in the hard work. Another portfolio would be logistics. Another portfolio would be property. But depends pull up within the two. So I have got 5-year interval plans. Okay, sharp. These things need to work out this way, that way. However, along the way, maybe trading chain is not for me for the next 2 remaining years. Is on push and then any is on push as well. Any in push as well. Because I don't want to be stuck 15 years down the line. I'm still trading, making 2.5, making 5.5, and where else there's other streams of income that can help me make 20, push me to 50, push me to 100. Do you get my chats?
No, I get your chat. No, I get it.
No. Tell me something. Let me ask you this question. I want to ask him, the money that you make and the money that you still want to make, what's the purpose of that?
To build.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm answered. You see, so he's building. That's the purpose. So meaning to say, if you build, somebody has to benefit of the building.
Must be nice.
You understand?
Yeah.
We all doing something. I think I always say by the age of maybe 23, 24, 25, you start realizing that as long as, I'm asking him because I know he's family orientated, right? As long as you know that people are going to come after you, then you need to know that you're starting living for those people. Not necessarily saying you forget about yourself, but you need to understand that life ends at some point, and the legacy has to continue with someone. And that someone has to come in and understand, like he's saying, we're building. And it also depends where we are building, how we are building, what is our structured plan on how we're going to build. Going to build for 5 years, going to build for 10 years, you understand? Because people watch this show and think, okay, people are coming in, scammers are coming in, and, it's just their opinion, right? But how many people, and I said it before, that when somebody has a vision, it tends to benefit other people at the end of the day. You understand? You must understand that everything that we see here, it started with someone's mind. You can't just wake up and say, I'm studying a podcast. Guys, where are the mics? It starts somewhere. Somebody has to visualize it. You see, now you're talking about property. It's talking about property. It's talking about logistics. Those are the things that you're already seeing. But now, when it comes to the work, that's when now you say, but I didn't think this thing was going to be this easy.
Yeah.
Especially also in the industry that we are in. It's output versus input. We see output a lot. There's the social media is outputting, but the inputting it's way less. It's way less.
True.
It's way less. And I appreciate the fact that we got somebody on the show that is on the ground, who sees this and can relate, because a lot of people that come here, they tell their story, their success story, and I'm glad that we're having somebody that is still struggling. And it's our duty to say, bro, this is how we think you can go about this whole thing.
Fact.
I think it's going to inspire a lot of people that are watching this as well.
Fact.
Yeah, but we're wishing you all the best, man.
Yo, man, appreciate
Yeah, no, this is not the last time you're here. I want you back. No, for real. He's such a vibe.
Yes.
Definitely, I need to come back, tell the part of the stories that I'll face after this interview as well.
Yeah.
Looking forward to getting help as much as possible. Learning more from you, MJ, as well. Hopefully, I'll subscribe to the channel now.
Yeah, you can.
We'll
Look,
take it.
I've got lots of connects in the industry. Guys I trust, things like that. So I could definitely put in a
word or two.
Yeah, word or two. If you're interested.
But not scammers, dog.
Exactly,
Don't
like I said. Like there's people I trust. There's people I trust.
Scammers.
Not even I that comes on the channel. Let me not say that.
Doc, I'm 90% of the time I'm alone in my trading station. Like, it gets into you sometimes.
Yeah.
Even though I watch the podcast to keep me entertained, and I have brothers within the community, and then, but you still need that physical communication. Would say, boy, this is what I'm seeing in the charts. This is what you challenge my mind, because I'm challenging my mind solo on a daily basis throughout the whole year. Like, besides Nasdaq Ninja, like helping out on Sundays or Mondays, sending out that YouTube channel and say, hey, this is what I think about the market breakdown. This is what the market is going to do and stuff. It helps also, But however, 90% of the time I'm alone. And what's happening when I'm alone? A lot of mistakes, dog. And then he did the perfect thing. But mina ngenza ama mistakes amaningi, over trading, over leveraging, greed, psychology, the whole lot of things. But when, let's say I'm with MJ, probably it's gonna be different. It's gonna make me feel like the first time I was trading.
Yeah.
Because Gent used to say, even though we were getting signals, we're like, hold until he says we must close.
Yeah.
Maybe I still need that thing, because now I'm dealing it with myself. It's okay. Now I need to close or I need to hold. And then when you close too early and you're like, and ngicabangile.
And you see, and a lot of people are in that place right now, honestly, and
all the traders.
No, but a lot of people kind of past that, and those you're talking about the 3%. The 3% are not there anymore about whether they close too early, they close too late. It has nothing to do. It has no concern with them where the market went, as long as their setup played out as planned. Whether there was a winner or a loser. So it's like still man, all the best of your journey, for real.
Thank you so much. I just have a quick question for you, MJ. Do you think trading now is different? Probably you get this question a lot. Is different from all time? Because I joined trading right after, let's say, I wouldn't say even cash flow. Because apparently there was a different type of trading style. There's different type of traders. There's new age, middle class, and then last traders, which the COVID traders.
Post-COVID traders.
Yeah. Do you think it's different overall, or like people are just changing with times in terms of how they do things now? You feel like it's not the same anymore as before?
You mean in terms of the charts or behavior of
trading
people?
Style of people now? That's my question. How people are trading, how you seeing these guys are trading? Because apparently in South Africa, we've got the wild traders, eh?
No, we do.
Yeah.
Probably.
I think it changed a lot. I think what we see now is like how we say marketing.
Marketing a lot.
It's marketing a lot.
More than the chat itself. Is that what you're responding to? Like people are like promoting business side of Forex, not Forex itself.
Do you know how many people don't have a real account that are mentors? You see, the answer is easy. You see the way you started? You didn't know what you were doing. You're selling signal of someone. It's the same thing. So what we normally see, and with respect to the people that are doing the right thing there, but most people don't. They want to sell because it's hard. Trading is hard.
It's hard.
It's hard.
Yeah.
It's hard. It's a hard thing. And you make quick money. Look, you make quick money. So what makes you think they're not making quick money?
In the business side of...
Yeah, in the business side of things. It's still, even with the chart, it's still the business, but this one is more like your influencership type of business. But the guys then, I mean, we had people like Isaac with the first generation, second generation. He was honest on the show that, look, this is what I used to do. And And he owned up to his mistake. So I think now it's worse than before. Yeah. I think it's worse than before because back then people used to charge 15,000 for your course. There were no signals, indices were not there. But now it's deriv. We have your synthetic indices. So I think now, and look at the price that people are selling these courses for, 350 rands, 150 rands. So I think
there's no value into it.
There's no value into it. There's no value into it. We're always ashamed to call ourselves Forex traders because of the way it came out there.
Do you get it a lot? Like Uguti, when a person asks you what do you do?
Yeah.
And then do you tell them that I'm a Forex trader full time?
No. I'm a business coach.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sounds more professional.
But he is a business coach.
Yeah, I went to school for this. So for me, it's easy to answer that. When people ask me, I always tell them that. And I've got a degree for me to do what I'm doing. Yeah, so also trading was introduced by doing my degree, So, yeah, and I don't think there's anything wrong if somebody asks you, what do you do? And say, I'm a Forex trader. There's nothing wrong.
But where's the Golf 8, Papa? What are you going to say?
Yeah, they want to see the car.
Where's the Golf 8?
Yeah.
So,
bro, SOP, not the normal one.
Chief, I remember when I started, like when I was
Here we go again.
Chief, I was expected to settle everything, Chief. That's not even yours, Chief. Expected to settle everything, Chief. And I know, no. But anyways, we learn, and there's still more to learn. There's still more. Like I said, my L's in my trading thing is my lessons that I need to look upon, and fix. Yeah. However, thank you so much, guys, for having me today.
No, thank you for coming. For real.
Yeah, no.
Like, it's so raw. Like, thank you for just being like raw and being like, nah, guys, it's like this. Guys.
So I was calling my hand this morning. I'm like, yo, babe, I've got a podcast. So, I almost said anything. So I have a friend who's like in the biggest podcast and entertainment podcast and stuff. So she thought I was going to that podcast. So. And I was like, I know I'm not going to that podcast. I'm going to the other, legit podcast. So it's like, what that podcast? I'm like, baby, I've been trying to like broaden my way, come back into the industry, and next year I'm launching that company I told you about. It's AMT, Authentic Market Traders. So I want to do everything authentic now. So in terms of, I want to introduce like live trading, not signal tap thing. Okay, there will be signal shared for those who are working and stuff, working class and stuff. And I'm working on like a retirement thingy and stuff. So what I'm saying is, they'll be shared on what we are based on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna analyze the market together. So we're gonna drop a link every day. We analyze the market together with the traders who are live on the thingy, on the Zoom or whatever, and then we trade what we see, and then the signal will be sent based on maybe the votes on the poll that we are going to be seeing before the market open. Then we take that direction all together, Sisonke. And then I'll be juggling and working on drafting the course of retirement plan for people, how to juggle trading and working, how I came about it. It's tough.
Yeah.
That's the toughest thing to do. Having to not pulling through strings at work, and then trading is demanding as well. How to overcome and deal with that. So I think with me having good things through that, and I think it'd be helpful to other people as well who would like to be keen in trading and stuff. But I'm not willing to deal with the emotional part of people when they coming with losses and fits. I have a heart too. When you take a loss, I take a loss, and then you take a loss, and then you ankalela and fits. It gets to me. That's why I stopped doing it. Smanga.
I was about to ask, is that Kojo, what was the reason you actually stopped offering services?
Losses now. So we're taking a lot of losses. Let's say a month, something like losses. We're not performing like before. A lot of sabotaging within like the company's money at the profit club, understand? So people were like, I'm out now, it's signing up. And I was left alone because a lot of clients knew Smanga. Understand? They knew Smanga is the one promoting. So a lot of people a group in Bezeng Smanga. So I remember when I had to work, I had to pay some of the people money through my paycheck. Sure. Yeah, that was my first paycheck. I remember I had to pay some money to account management people who about imali yabo. Yeah, if anyone can attest to that, you can comment down below. I've paid you guys. I've paid you. I don't like stress. Number one, I don't like stress money. If it's I pay everything the very same day. Whether I pay, like I make sure I pay. So,
are you still having your 9 to 5?
What
are you doing now?
Not necessarily. So now I'm pushing. I'm into orthopedics.
Oh, okay.
So we're dealing with a product specialist for orthopedics. So we're dealing with implants and stuff. So whenever you're broken, I'm the one who analyze you and okay, doctor, we're gonna be using this on Nqobile and we go about that.
Okay,
sure.
Yeah,
it's got a knee problem, but it's fine.
Yes, I pushed it.
You know the most can I say impressive thing you said right now? You spoke about retirement at 22. And like he's already thinking that, retirement plan right there. That is really impressive. Yeah. Not a lot of guys your age are like, no, but retirement and
it's not necessarily retirement like science and next at all. It's like a matter of I needed to achieve these things at this certain age. Not necessarily age good kings like it's not, how can I put this? I've got 5-year interval plans and okay, in this 5-year period, I was doing trading. Focusing in trading and investing my money on trading a lot. And then the second year would be property. Like I said, starting off from next year, it's going to be my 4th year. So property is juggling in now. So obviously more spanner, you're dealing with those credit what's. And now you're about to 23 at least, Jordan year, property, it's definitely popping up, it's definitely coming up. I'm working so hard on it, the bonds and stuff like that. That Indian nigga, he's explaining his intengazizo, but yeah, I'll get into it.
What are you thinking about now?
No, I get it. No, but he's gonna come back and talk about that at the later stage for real. Okay. No, I'm looking at time. Sorry, guys, I'm looking at time. Smanga, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
For real, I really enjoyed this. This was, for a lot of people, this will be a needed conversation for people to hear. Honestly, I don't think you understand the impact of the stuff you've said today. Yes, I know some people will probably have their own opinions, but I think it's just you coming and being like, guys, no, it's like this, I'm here. Sharp.
Yeah. Also, people need to stop talking about the club lives and stuff like that. The traders down there want to hear about the real trenches that you faced, nigga. So, yeah, not the goods, okay, I couldn't pay a bill at the club. So, people want to know goods and that. Mang trade 500 randi that time people that they can relate, understand? So that's what's needed now, understand? Not bottle life and stuff like that. So when I'm very much impressed, Nami at least going is in me, Dilana, and stuff. Because those really, really motivate me, understand? Because before anyone else heard, so she knows.
That's my high school sweetheart there.
Hey, my high school sweetheart left me a long time. I've got a new baby, so we've been pushing my hand. We've been pushing. She's been supportive. You need to get someone who's really supportive. How she's been supportive, I must believe. She's been supportive.
Yeah, very. I think
she's here now.
I think she played. She played a very vital role. If anyone wants to ask me about my life, I think.
Yeah.
If not me, then she would know even better than my mom.
Shout out to her. It's a podcast.
She will tell you of the things that are broken in the house because of the losses and the stresses. Yeah, it's been the journey's been so hard to. That's why I'm always careful about money, because I had money and I lost it, and I had to start from scratch. So I thank God she stayed. Yeah, because it was a lot, and it went, and trading came and rescued me. And
my problem is I don't think my hand has ever seen me broke or confessed to my hand that I'm broke, babe.
Yeah,
chief. I don't trust that one. She'll leave.
Let's end the podcast. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you, Smanga.
Thank you so much.
We'll leave your the IG, whatever handles down below.
The real _ Smanga. Please shout out if you wanna work with me as well. Call me, guys. I'm looking forward to trading studio sessions, not buying your signals. I won't do that. I'm looking forward to trading studio sessions. I won't buy your signals, guys. I've done that 2 years ago. I'm done with that part, you know. So
Sure.
yeah, shout out. The real _ Smanga, that's the IG. That's what I have only because girlfriend it's here. Delete.
We've got a talk on here.
But anyways, guys, that's the only thing I have. And
Sure.
Look out for authentic market traders. We're coming with a different narrative and hopefully it'll work out. So every trader tries a new thing. So I think I need to try a new thing in the industry. Money go up traders. Zotila now.
Thank you so much, bro.
Sure.
Appreciate it so much.
Thank you for coming, man.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, MJ.
All right.
Sure.
It's myself, Nqobile Tembane,
MJ Givens Kgasi.
for president.
Yeah, for president. I even forgot. Yeah.
All right. I will see you guys next week, same time, same place. And we out.